Oh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. Hello there you guys, your girl Euniycemari, and I am back with another DIY video. I haven't done a DIY video in quite some time, so I was coming up with some new ways of tackling the underarms, and so I thought that this would be a cool DIY to do. If you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Euniycemari, and my channel is all about informative beauty, skincare to makeup to hair care to product reviews, all that fun stuff. So welcome to my channel, and if you guys are not subscribed, make sure you guys go ahead and click that subscribe button. I went natural under the arm years ago. I think it's been about 3 years plus now, and you guys know I've been on this whole deodorant like search where I've been trying new deodorants, finding out what works for me. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to leave a playlist above for you guys to go and check out if you guys want to catch up on my whole underarm journey and what I went through, things I've tried, tips that I have for you guys. So today's video is going to be a witch hazel based spray deodorant, and it's just a quick recipe that I came up with on my own. And so with that, we're gonna jump right into it, and everything that I do use in this video will be linked down below. Okay you guys, so first we're gonna get into what you need to complete this DIY. You're first of all gonna use some type of witch hazel. It doesn't matter what kind of witch hazel you get as long as it's witch hazel. This is not 100% witch hazel. This is 4% alcohol. So it's 86% witch hazel and then, sorry, 14% alcohol. And I just get the CVS brand, the Target brand, whatnot. Usually witch hazels are mixed with either alcohol or sometimes they have oils in them. So whatever your preference is, you just want to make sure that you get what you like. And then you're going to need essential oils. So I'm going to use a little bit of peppermint. Lavender oil, which I use this a lot, so label's all gone, but I got it from Rite Aid. This one is Shea Moisture's peppermint oil, and then we use a little bit of this creamy coconut scent or essential blend by Shea Moisture. And you're gonna need something to store it in, so I'm gonna store it in an old glass bottle. This is just a bottle that I had with one of my skincare products. Make sure you cleanse it out, and it has a little spray top to it. Now this recipe for the underarms, you can do it either way. You can add any type of essential oils you want. You can make it rose water based. It doesn't have to be witch hazel based. That's the good thing about making your own products, because you can make them any way you feel, add whatever you want to it, different essential oils, different scents, and that's the beautiful thing about it. Now I'm just eyeballing this. I do not have any measurements for you guys on this one. As you guys know, with a lot of my DIYs, I do eyeball them a lot. So starting off with my clean bottle, you want to make sure that it's nice and clean, and you don't have to buy a whole bunch of new bottles, you guys. You can go out and you can just grab one from your lovely supply of beauty products and just repurpose it, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to take the bottle and I am just going to eyeball this, okay? Now this is my first time trying out this oopsie, and that's why you need to be careful because it can get messy. Hold on. Okay, fail all the way. I don't even know what I was about to say. Oh, okay, so this is my first time trying this out, so I'm not going to make too much of a batch for myself because I don't know if I'm gonna like it or not. I didn't fill my bottle all the way up. I just filled it up a little bit. I don't know if this mixture is going to work for me or not. And when it comes to experimenting with the underarms, you have your hits and your misses. I want this to be majority lavender oil. I love lavender oil for my underarms. If you guys have been following me in my underarm journey, you guys know I love lavender oil for my underarms. I'm not a big fan of it really otherwise, but for my underarms, it meshes with me greatly. So this is a lavender oil that came in a roll-on. I just removed the roll-on top, and I'm just gonna pour it in here. Like, I could go with a lot of lavender though. Like I said, I have no measurements with this, so if you guys want measurements, I am sorry. I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a smell. Okay, I like that. Nice and lavendery. Okay, now with peppermint, I'm just gonna put 1 drop. Peppermint is really strong. You don't need a lot of it. 1 drop can really take over the whole container. So 1 drop of peppermint is great. And also, you guys, if you have any questions about like the benefits of these oils, I will leave a video above and down below. I did a full video talking all about the benefits of essential oils, and it also too will help you with deciding what you're going to put inside of your mixture. Peppermint has great antibacterial properties. So does lavender oil. It's very calming. Witch hazel has so many great benefits for the skin. I have a whole video on witch hazel as well. So a lot of these products I've already experimented with, and I've used them consistently to know that these products are products that work for me. Now, just to kick this mixture up a little bit and to give me more of a scent that I like, I have this coconut here. I'm gonna go ahead and put 1 drop, give it a smell, and see how, if I want to add more. Okay, so we're gonna put 1 drop, kind of swish it around a little bit, give it a little bit of a swirl. Okay, smell it. Oh my goodness, that smells amazing. I wish you guys can like smell this. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna add 1 more drop of the creamy coconut. Okay, it smells really, really good. I like this mixture. We may be onto something. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put my cap on, and we're gonna spray it underneath the arms. So let's do it. Let's do it. Do it. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna give this a shake, just to shake everything up, everything together, and we're gonna go ahead and we're going to apply it to the underarms. Now, you want to make sure you have clean underarms. You really want to make sure you get the best out of products when it comes to the underarm area. Detox, do the bentonite clay detox. I have a full video showing how to do a bentonite detox, so I will leave that above, down below for you guys. But make sure you do that before applying this. My underarms have been cleansed, nothing on them. If you are just jumping into the world of going natural under the arms, this may not work for you. I think that this mixture here is more for the person who's been natural for a while, because your underarms are detoxed. They're already used to not having deodorant on. So if you are just now like, okay, I'm gonna ditch my secret tomorrow, give your body time to detox all of that and then try something like this later on down the road. Because when I first started off, something like this was not going to cut it. Okay, them bad boys up. You're just gonna spray the product, spray it on there, give it a full spray. Ooh, I love the way it smells. It smells really good. Guys, ooh, it smells so good. Okay, I'm gonna spray a little bit more on the side. Ooh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. So a couple of things that I'm looking forward with this, and I'm going to do a follow-up video all about this mixture. A couple of things that I'm looking for this is that I'm not concerned about it not me sweating, because it doesn't have anything this doesn't have any arrowroot powder in it or anything like that. So I'm going to sweat, but I'm looking for am I going to smell funky in a couple of hours? Am I going to be fresh? Is this scent going to last? But I really do like the way that this smells. I think my measurements are exact. I like it more lavender than anything else, and that 1 drop of peppermint is perfect. My underarms don't like sting, because peppermint will have your underarms on fire. Okay, but I think this mixture is really, really good, and I just want to know, continually using this, like how this is going to work for me. I really do like the way that it smells. My underarms feel super duper fresh, and I am really, really so excited. And it's simple. It took a couple of minutes to make with just some few ingredients you can go and get from your local drugstore, and I love it. If you guys have ever used a mixture like this or made a mixture of your own, let me know down below. Did you like it? Did it work for you? If any of you guys are on the new all natural kick underneath the arms, you guys are trying to figure out what works for you, say, hey Eunice, I'm trying to go natural. Talk about what different essential oils, what different things work for you, what don't work for you. Is there anything else besides witch hazel as a base, maybe rose water that you have tried? Like, I'm always so curious about what you guys are using and what you guys are trying out there, so share that with me as well. But I'm really excited about this mixture, and so yeah, you guys, I will be back with a full video telling you guys how this works for me. But in the meantime, in between time, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye. Bye.